Marissa, and we're back with Vlogmas Day 22, is that right? Day 21. If you are anything like me, you're still Christmas shopping. So I have come up with a solution for you guys. It is a last minute Amazon shopping guide, gift guide. Little disclaimer on that. I did make sure everything was Prime. If you don't have a Prime account, I don't know that it will come at the same time. I don't really know how that works. Certain things in different parts of the world can take longer, so if you're in one part of the country and I'm in another, it's gonna say that it's gonna get here for me and it might not get here the same time for you. But I tried to find things that looked like they were gonna get here for like most places. But yeah, everything is gonna be Amazon based. Nobody likes to go out right before Christmas and go Christmas shopping, but you can. If you're like me, it's all online. We're gonna find a way to ship it there on time. I will have my Amazon storefront, and specifically it'll say last minute Christmas gift ideas as the title, but I will have that link down below so you can just shop through there. But we're gonna go through all of them as well, and I'll be inserting little photos of what the things are. But real quick before we get started, if you guys have not entered my giveaway, make sure you go enter. It ends on Christmas, so if you haven't entered yet, go enter. It's right here, it's on my Instagram, so you can enter once by tagging your friends, and another time every single day of Vlogmas by commenting the secret emoji. So the secret emoji for this video is going to be right here. So just comment this emoji under this post and that will enter you an extra time. I feel like I've said that spiel 100 times, but actually I've only said it 21 times. Let's get right into it. And this is kind of all mixed in together, so I have some that are going to be more for girls or women and some for boys or men. Obviously a lot of these are unisex as well. Okay, first things are these little Michael Kors wristlet little wallets. They're basically just like card holders. So I got a card holder a long time ago from a brand that they like sent it to me. They sent me a purse and then they just sent me a card holder. It was the first card holder I ever had, and before that I was like, oh my gosh, I'll never use this. But guys, I love it. I've used it, I've had it for years now, and I absolutely love it, especially when I'm taking like little wristlets and I'm going out. That's literally all I carry. But they have these ones, they're pretty inexpensive. They're about like $30, which is good for Michael Kors. And yeah, they're perfect. They just fit your cards. You can fit some cash in there, so it's good for like nights out and stuff like that. But yeah, both those are pretty inexpensive for what they are. I feel like that's a good gift, and looks like you spent more because it's Michael Kors. The next thing I have on here is a Stanley cup. Guys, for some reason though, these are way more expensive on Amazon, but if you're like itching to get someone a Stanley cup and you need it there in time, that is a good option. I think this is a great gift. It actually does keep your water cold. I just actually really like it, and it's something that I thought like I wouldn't really care that much about. Okay, next one is, it says for men, it could be for women if they like whiskey, but it is a whiskey stone set. So it comes with the rocks glasses. I don't really know what else. Yeah, it comes in this like wooden box. It's really cool for anyone that likes whiskey. It's like a nice gift set. Next one I have is chocolate gift set. I feel like these are super cute. I feel like it works for everyone. Everyone's gonna like chocolate, and they look nice. They're very like luxurious. But yeah, that could be good for literally anyone. All right, next one I got is great for anyone who likes cooking or like hosting parties or something like that. It's just a charcuterie board set. If you know somebody likes to make charcuterie boards, or I think if you know someone likes to host parties, this is like a great gift, because I think that's the perfect like snacking food for like hosting parties. And then it does come with little recipes for like how to make the charcuterie board. Yeah, I think that's a great gift, and it actually is like really a nice charcuterie board. Next one is probably a little bit of a younger, a projector light. I think these are super cool. Like someone, like I would like them. I think obviously someone older, like if I was getting a gift for my grandma, that's not what I would choose. But yeah, I think these are super cool, especially for anyone like college, high school age. I guess I'm not too old for it because I still would like one. Yeah, they're just super cool with like the lights off. Anyone that you know that likes to have like a cool LED light type of vibe, I think would like these, and they're pretty inexpensive. Next one I actually saw in here, I think this is super cute for like a last minute gift. It's just a tote bag. So, and then they have every letter of the alphabet on there, so you can get obviously whatever, you know, their name starts with or last name or whatever. But then it looks like it's not last minute because it has their initial on it. So it's like, no, I hunted for this for you. But it comes with like a big tote bag and then a little like makeup bag with that. I think this is perfect for if someone travels. It looks like it'd be a great beach bag. I think as a girl, I feel like I can never have too many tote bags. I literally have a closet and I just hoard tote bags in it. Like, I don't know why. I do have uses for all of them because they're all different sizes and colors, you know. Next one is, it's just like, obviously depends on the climate, but it's hats, gloves, and a scarf. This and I think there's earmuffs. But yeah, this is super cute. I just think, again, this is a gift that could kind of just go for anyone. It does depend on the climate. I think me living in like Las Vegas, I don't know that I need a scarf and gloves, but if you live somewhere where it's colder, I think this is a super cute gift. And when I did live in Ohio, I used to get stuff like this as a gift, and I just think it's really cute. Like I said, it goes for anyone, and it's something that people will use. Okay, next one is, this could again be for anyone, but I saw this and I was like, this is perfect for men. But it is like a little nightstand box, not a jewelry box, but like same idea as a jewelry box, but it just has a place for their phone, if they have an Apple Watch, a place for sunglasses, a place for wallets. It has a little drawer or whatever. I think these are great. This is again something like nobody's gonna go out and purchase for themselves, but would definitely use if it was a gift. Like, I saw this and I was like, I would use that, like right at my nightstand, place to put your phone. I don't know, I thought it was really cute. Okay, and then last one is just this candle set. They actually have a bunch of different candles on there, but I thought this one was cute. It's just little like Christmas decorated candles. And then this is also great. You can kind of separate these if you wanted to, or if you're last minute shopping for more than one person, and then you can separate them and give each person one. That's it. So it's just a few little last minute ideas if you are still shopping around. Hopefully though, you know, you're nothing like me and you already did all of your Christmas shopping and didn't wait till the last minute. Are like me, we're in the same boat and I get you. And please comment any other ideas you have for me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys literally tomorrow for the next Vlogmas video. Peace out.